managers are testing themselves in Greece. The team are lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. So then it's a 4-1-3-2. They've gambled with an attacking midfield setup, but will it pay off? And the match kicks off. Courtois has got it now. Well cut out. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. A careless pass there. Well read. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Mbappe. Oh, that's a poor pass. He did well to win the ball back. Can he put it away? Well, they needed to get that one away, and they have. He's got the ball and is in full sprint. And Haaland scores. That goal's been coming, and there are surely more goals to come in this match. Mbappe. Oh, the player felt that one. Well, he's got to be off. It's a straight red. A free kick then after that red card. Let's see if they can take advantage. The goalkeeper receives the ball. Short throw from the keeper. Good interception. The player's using his pace. Will he go for glory? Oh, there from Haaland. That goal, his second of the match. Haaland drives forward. That's good link-up play. Courtois has got it now. He misjudged the pass. Haaland shoots. Oh, that's just off target. So one team's game plan has gone out of the window after that sending off. Can the other side use their advantage in the second half? A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? They're going to need to improve in the second half. They're behind. Some really fluid passing on display. Foden. They're struggling to string their passes together. Tactical change here then. Throw taken long. Oh, that pass could have been better. He got that all wrong. His son! Poor effort goes wide. Oh, that was a cynical foul. The crowd are jeering the player. Tries the shot. Oh, nice finish. He's put them back into it. Oh, an unstoppable shot there. He gave the goalkeeper no chance as he smashes the free kick into the back of the net. Mbappe. Oh, not a great challenge. Oh, he can't have any complaints there. It's a yellow card. He's gone for goal. He saves the long-range shot. A misplaced pass. The manager thinks the time is right. He's urged these substitutes to make their mark. The manager is switching things up. They're winning, but he doesn't want the team to lose momentum. They just can't seem to get into this game. They need to press higher upfield to start creating chances again. He goes for the throw. It's back with the goalkeeper. This is Haaland. He steps up to steal the ball. An expert tackle. Here's his chance. This is a physical game, lots of tackles being made. That's well out by the defence. Long shot. It didn't trouble the keeper. A careless pass there. Not long left. Can they see out the result? Oh, that's a poor pass. Vinicius Jr., great run. Is this a goal? Great reflexes. He reacted to that long distance shot. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. Oh, and dispossessed there. Hooks it forward. He's darting forward. A golden chance. Off the post. Goes long. They fell short of 2 on defeat today.